hope you're all well and I hope you had a wonderful Easter. Just a short video from me to promote an upcoming online visual thinking skills workshop. So what do you need to know? Well, it will be running on Wednesday the 13th through to Friday the 15th of May. 3 modules of 3 hours between 1 and 4 o'clock here in the UK. So an opportunity to catch some of you guys across the pond and around the globe, and a nice little introductory rate too. There will be a pre-course setup call to make sure that all of you that register are set up and ready for the modules. And don't panic, if you have registered and you can't make this, I'll record it too. Module 1, the theory of visual thinking and a deep dive into the drawing. Module 2, building on your visual thinking skills toolbox. So the drawing is so important, but there are many other components such as lettering, title banners, containers, and structure and flow patterns. And then module 3, visual facilitation and active listening, looking at both problem solving and idea mapping exercises and making use of graphic templates and online collaborative tools to embrace both group diversity and convergence. All of these 3 modules will then be followed up with a final one-to-one session with everyone that registers so that I can support you on your visual thinking journey. I look forward to seeing you then.